going to review this Nerf Mega Gun. It is awesome. It has the big yards for battles, and it has a turtle on the back for rapid fire. I recommend this because it comes with other things such as the Big Shot and the Thunderbolt, which are very helpful in Nerf battles. This gun is epic. I think it's automatic. Like you pull the trigger and then push back here. It also has this grip thingy on the top to make connections to see, and it's also very good to shoot 90 to 27 feet.
Who do you recommend the toy for?
I recommend this toy for everyone who wants to battle Nerf anywhere, even if you are walking down the street.